We are here at Navy Pier, here in Chicago. And this is the elevator to the second floor. Here it is. As we know, it's a Schindler RT. We got this very modern elevator cab. Interesting. Let's go to 2. Schindler. Let's go down to 1. And the door close button that works. Because it's a Schindler. There's the buttons there. There's a certificate. It's a hydraulic automatic elevator. There's your phone. ADA compliant. That's funny. Okay. It's a nice one. I think it runs pretty well. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.